How to wear multiple hairs on Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Then click on search bar and search roblox.com. After you've logged into your Roblox account, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on avatar. In avatar, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. After that, in here you'll find head and body. Click on head and body. After you've done that, you'll find option for hair. Click on hair and all the hair section will pop up. Then hold on to the second hair you want to add and press on copy address link. After that, on the right side, you'll find advanced. Click on advanced and paste the link here and press on save at the bottom. Again, press on save and you're good to go. This is how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.